Hi, I'm Kaan, Senior Developer Advocate at the Stellar Development Foundation, and welcome to Stellar Journey to Mastery. If you're trying to learn Web3, you've probably watched a lot of videos, read a lot of documentation, and at some point you thought, oh, I understand this. And then you sit down and don't really know what to build. That happens to a lot of people. You keep learning, but somehow it never turns into something real. And Stellar Journey to Mastery is here to help you with that. It gives you a reason to just sit down and start building. The program works with monthly builder challenges. So every month you're working on a specific thing, writing code, trying stuff out, and slowly getting more comfortable building. If you're a junior or like a mid-level developer, this helps you move past just following tutorials. You start making decisions, breaking things, fixing things, hopefully more fixing than breaking things, and that's where the real learning happens. You're not also doing this on your own. There are other people building at the same time that you can ask questions, share your projects, and get feedback. After a while, you stop feeling like a beginner and start feeling like someone who can actually build things. If that's the place you want to get to, Stellar Journey to Mastery is a good way to get there. If you're learning Web3 and feel like you're stuck watching tutorials without learning, without building too much, that's pretty common. Stellar Journey to Mastery is here to help you move from learning and start building. With monthly builder challenges, you sit down, write code, and work on real things, real projects. You're not alone either. There are other builders that are here to support you and give feedback along the way. If you want to get more comfortable building on Web3, this is a solid step.